Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2022 at a past Photo Managers Conference. Although the year may have passed, the insights shared remain valuable for anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy.
Hi, Philip Griffith from PSG Photo Solutions, and we're here at the Photo Managers Conference in Denver, and this is Beth Lilja. Did I say that right?
It's Lilja.
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 Okay, and she's in the Minnesota area.
That is correct.
And what's the name of your company?
It's BGL Associates Professional Organizers.
Yes, so you do both professional organizing and the photo organizing. So what's something that you've done in the past year with your clients with photos?
Well, the project that stands out for me is that I had the opportunity initially, a client hired me to curate his personal collection, and then as a result of his role in hockey, USA Hockey, it turned into then working with him with all of his Olympic memorabilia pictures, and so we worked with that. And then what happened is, as we were getting ready to do a book for him, an author came through from another Olympian that he had had worked with. And so then working on this book, so helping my client not only bring together all of the photos from his collection as a coach for the 1972 Olympic hockey team, but also then helping to edit, selecting the photos, working with the publishing team. And then I think the thrill of it is that it has just grown organically, the additional projects that I've had out of that, but very, very fun in being listed in, it's called The Road to Respectability, and being a contributor for that book. And so being able to showcase to my mom that, yes, her daughter is doing something with her degree, that type of thing. So that has been just been a fun project, but how it changed organically into something from you never do just a project, but from a personal collection to something larger, and then creating something more from that. So been very, very excited to be a part of that process.
Yeah.
So
that's great.
yes, exactly.
Very unusual.
It is an unusual project, and sometimes that's what we have as photo organizers. We take on projects, but then additional projects happen from that, whether it be you're working on a project for a client that's a book, or it might be helping a client put together an 80th birthday party, or a book written about the person. But again, that's the beauty of what we have in working with our clients each and every day. So.
And that's why it's important to use your photos to tell your story so that they will last for generations. See you next time.
That sounds great. Thanks, everyone. Bye now.